In this video, we will study language skills for academic writing and how you can use them to ensure better academic communication. You will agree that the way we speak is not the way we write, and the way we write generally is not the way we write academically. So if you take care of few things, then you can really improve your academic writing. In this video, I will give you 4 golden rules that you can employ in your academic writing. Rule number 1, use active voice over passive voice. But why? The basic word order of the English language is subject, verb, and object. The linguistic studies show that native speakers are better able to remember material that they read in active voice than the same material in passive voice. So in place of writing, last year new words were coined by English speakers and most of the coinages were influenced by COVID-19. One should write, last year English speakers coined new words and COVID-19 inspired new coinages. Now the benefit is, in the first example, we are using more words. We are using 18 words, but in example 2, we are only using 12 words. So when you say something in active voice, then actually you are also saving your words. There are other benefits of writing in active voice as well. So what are they? Your sentence becomes stronger when you use strong verbs and concrete nouns, and you can remove the dead weight of 30 to 40% auxiliary verbs and prepositions. Rule number 2, avoid biased language. So in place of saying handicapped people have different relationship expectations compared to normal people, we should say people with disability have different relationship expectation compared to people without disability. So here we have removed and substituted the word handicapped people with people with disability, and we have substituted the word normal people with people without disability. But why one should avoid biased language? Because academic writing is informative. It is without prejudice. And your research writing will reach a large number of diverse audience spanning years and decades. Rule number 3, maintain parallelism. The coordinate conjunction and works like a balance. So when you connect words, phrases, and clauses with and, they should be of similar type. Let's understand this with 2 examples. Example 1, bad researches commonly exhibit one or more of the following characteristics: illogical reasoning, generalized statements, subjective outcomes, and they are plagiarized. So how can we maintain parallelism? So in place of writing they are plagiarized, we should write the word plagiarized narratives. Another example, good research is a result of narrowing the scope, making proper notes, following 4 C's of academic writing, and cites from the primary sources. In place of writing cites from the primary sources, we should write citing from the primary sources. So what is the key? Balance parallel ideas in a series. Rule number 4. In this, we will see a few examples. Example 1, we will try to determine if the initial hypothesis is valid. The preferable sentence will be, we will try to determine whether the initial hypothesis is valid. If is an informal word and we will use whether, which is more formal than if. Next example, a large amount of theories have been disproved. The preferable sentence is, a large number of theories have been disproved. Here theories are countable, so we will use a large number in place of a large amount. Next example, the paper discusses about the problem of violence on women. The preferable sentence will be, the paper discusses the problem of violence on women. Talk about is equal to discuss, so we will not use discusses about, but we will use discusses. The last example, despite the results were inconclusive, there seems to be ample evidence that this is the case. The preferable sentence will be, despite the results being inconclusive, there seems to be ample evidence that this is the case. So after despite construction, we use ing form of verb. So here in this video, we have seen 4 golden rules of academic writing, and if we follow these rules, then we can make and improve our academic writing better. So what next? In the next video, we will study how to write an abstract.